Apply this to your gray hair. No more spending a fortune at the salon. Simple, natural ingredients from your kitchen are all you need. They leave your hair smoother, shinier, and deeply nourished. Start with whole coffee beans, since they contain the highest amount of natural oils and pigments. Grind a handful of beans well. Place 2 tablespoons of the freshly ground coffee into a glass bowl. Freshly ground coffee has a stronger aroma and more intense effect. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Sugar helps remove buildup and impurities, allowing the mask's ingredients to absorb better. Mix everything together. Pour hot water at about 70 degrees Celsius over the mixture and stir again. Now add honey. Honey moisturizes, smooths, and boosts natural shine. Combine everything until you get a uniform paste. Transfer the mixture into a jar. Your mask is ready. Apply it evenly to your hair, especially where the color needs support. Spread it thoroughly. Leave it on for 1 hour so the ingredients can work fully. This recipe is enough for 2 applications. After the first use, your hair will be smoother, softer, and naturally shiny. A homemade hair growth oil that works overnight. It helps reduce hair loss and makes thin hair look fuller. All thanks to natural ingredients. Rosemary is an amazing herb known for its strengthening properties. Cut a few fresh sprigs of rosemary and place them in a bowl. Rinse them well with water to remove any impurities. Pour about 4 cups of water into a pot and bring it to a boil. Place a metal bowl inside to create a water bath. Add about 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Coconut oil deeply moisturizes the hair, protects it from breakage, and leaves it soft and shiny. The next ingredient is castor oil. Pour in about 2/3 of a cup. Add the cleaned rosemary sprigs to the oils and stir thoroughly. Heat in the water bath for about 20 minutes so the ingredients can blend and release their benefits. Strain the mixture into a clean container, then transfer it to a sealed jar. That's how you make homemade rosemary hair oil. Used regularly, it strengthens the roots, reduces shedding, and leaves hair thick, full, and radiant. Add salt to Vaseline. This is a simple yet highly effective home remedy, and you'll notice the results right away. All you need is regular cosmetic Vaseline, something most people already have at home, though few realize how many uses it has. In a small bowl, place just under 1 tablespoon of Vaseline. Vaseline has numerous properties that make it one of the most versatile skincare products. Then add 1 tablespoon of salt, preferably fine-grained. This subtle step will make the result more complete and noticeable. Mix thoroughly until you get a smooth paste. Apply it to the desired areas of your body, massaging in circular motions. Leave it on for about 10 minutes to let the ingredients work, then rinse off with warm water. You'll instantly feel your skin change. Soft, firm, and as if awakened to life. This homemade salt scrub not only cleanses the skin, but also stimulates microcirculation, improving blood flow and oxygen delivery to skin cells. Used regularly, it can become your ally in reducing cellulite. Cellulite is the characteristic unevenness of the skin caused by fat deposits under its surface. Try it once, and you'll feel the difference after just 1 treatment. Massage this into your face, and you'll cancel all your beauty appointments. This method costs almost nothing and contains no chemicals at all. Take 1 banana and peel it. Eat the fruit, it's good for you, and cut the peel into smaller pieces. Banana peel is a true natural antioxidant. It has anti-wrinkle and brightening properties. Put the chopped peel into a blender. Add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. It's another ingredient that makes your skin silky smooth and refreshed. It soothes and gently tightens the skin. Then pour in 1 cup of water to give the mixture a more fluid, creamy consistency. Blend everything until smooth and uniform. Pour the finished mask into a clean, preferably airtight container. Apply the mask to your face, neck, or hands using gentle circular motions. Leave it on for 20 minutes. For best results, use it regularly. This is a truly simple and natural method worth trying if you want to care for your skin in the comfort of your own home.
Beauticians add coffee to Nivea cream. It turns it into a product that rivals luxury skincare. It might sound odd at first, but once you try it, you'll be hooked. If you've got ground coffee at home, you can actually use it in your beauty routine. When mixed with Nivea cream, It creates a DIY treatment that saves both time and money. Put 2 teaspoons equivalent of Nivea cream in a small bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of ground coffee. Then add in 1 tablespoon of honey. The enzymes in honey gently exfoliate the skin, removing dead cells while also acting as a protective barrier to lock in moisture. Mix everything well. Coffee is packed with anti-aging properties. Caffeine and other polyphenols help slow down the breakdown of vitamin C in the skin, keeping it smooth and preventing new wrinkles from forming. This powerful combo works wonders.
Natural collagen that will surprise you. Since my grandmother started using it, her wrinkles have literally disappeared. Her skin is now silky smooth. No expensive cosmetics can replace this. Start with Parsley. It has properties you've probably never heard of. It contains vitamin C, brightens dark spots, and stimulates the natural production of collagen. Wash a bunch of fresh parsley thoroughly. Add some baking soda and pour in water. Cut off the thick stems and chop the leaves into smaller pieces. Place everything in a pan and add about 500 milliliters of water. Cook on low heat until the water darkens. Blend everything in a tall container until you get a smooth paste. Strain it through a sieve and add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Cook on low heat until it forms a creamy consistency. Add a few drops of vitamin E, which has antioxidant properties. Add 1 tablespoon of aloe gel. Mix everything together and store in an airtight jar. Apply the homemade cream to the wrinkles around your eyes, hands, décolletage, or dry spots. Gently massage into the skin. After just 1 minute, you'll notice that your skin becomes smooth, firm, and visibly nourished. Use this cream every day. The simplest and most natural things provide the most spectacular results. Add lime to your Nivea cream to give it properties comparable to luxurious cosmetics. While this recipe may sound strange, I guarantee you'll start doing it yourself. Lime has many uses for both home and health. Citrus fruits are rich in vitamins and minerals. The vitamin C in lime has antioxidant and brightening effects. It also stimulates collagen production. When combined with Nivea cream, it creates a product that saves you both time and money. To half a jar of Nivea cream, add about 1 small teaspoon of lime juice. Then, add 2 tablespoons of powdered milk, which contains natural lactic acid, providing hydration and exfoliation. Mix well. Also, add just under a small teaspoon of petroleum jelly. Petroleum jelly locks in moisture, making the skin more hydrated and elastic. Mix everything together. This combination of 3 ingredients creates a fantastic cosmetic. Apply this mask to wrinkles or dry spots on your skin. Gently massage it in and leave it on for about 20 minutes. Regular use improves the skin's texture, giving it a fresh, youthful appearance. This mask can be used for many purposes.